Hi, welcome to Padai Planet, and we have got a question which is related to circles. It's a very good question. The question says that a chord of a circle whose radius is 10 centimeters. So that means the radius of the circle is already given, and that is 10 centimeters. And the chord subtends a right angle at the center. Right. So before we attempt this question, let's first of all draw this question, the situation of this question on this figure here. And this is one radius, and say this is the other radius. So that means this is going to be the chord of the circle. Right. Now let's highlight these important points. So this is the center, and let's name it as O, and this is the chord A and B, right? Now the radius of the circle, which is already given, and that is 10 centimeters. So that means OB is equal to 10 centimeter, and also OA is equal to 10 centimeter, and this angle is 90 degree, right? Now what we need to find out is the minor segment, the area of the minor segment of this in this circle. So this is the minor segment, this entire area, right? This is the area which we need to find out, right? So the area of the minor segment is equal to the area of the sector, and suppose this is P. So we are talking about area of the sector O, A, P, B, and from this sector, if we remove the area of OAB, triangle OAB, that means subtract the area of the triangle OAB, then we will get the area of this complete segment, right? So this is how we need to find out. Now first let's find out the area of the sector OAPB, right? So the area of sector OAPB is equal to, we all know it is the area of any sector. The formula for this is theta upon 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. Now theta we already know it is 90 degree. This is theta, right? Because this is the angle which is subtended by the chord, so that is 90 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by 3.14, that's the value of the pi which is given in the question, and r square. So that means square of 10, and that makes it 100. So let's simplify it, and we get 25. So this is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 25, and let me take the help from my calculator. So that's 78.5, right? So this is 78.5 centimeters square. Now that's the area of the complete sector OAPB, right? And now we will find out the area of triangle OAB. So the area of triangle OAB, sorry, that's OAB, is equal to half into base into height. So OA is the base, and then the height will be OB. So that makes it 100 upon 2, and that's like 50 square centimeter, right? Now we have got these two values these two values, right, which needs to be put in here in this particular equation, so let's do that and we will get the area of the minor segment, right? So now let's write down the area of the minor segment. That's equal to 78.5 minus 50, and that's equal to 28.5 square centimeter, right? So this is how we have solved this particular part of the question. And now we need to find out the second one, right? That's the area of the major sector, right? So area of the major sector. Now the area which is like the major sector is this part. This entire part is the major part, major sector. Now this is going to be equal to the area of the circle minus the area of the sector OAPB, right? Sector OAPB, right? So we already have this value of area of the sector OAPB, and that was this 78.5 centimeter square. All we need to do is we need to find out the area of the circle. So area of the circle we already know. Let's simply put this and identify here area of the circle. So that's pi r square, right? So that means okay, let me just write down the formula here first so that it becomes easy for you. That's pi r square is equal to pi, meaning 3.14, because that's the value which is given here in this question of pi, multiplied by 100. So that makes it 314 square centimeter. Now that's the area of the entire circle, and from this we need to take off this area. We need to take off this entire area, this area, right? So that means the sector OAPB, right? So let's put these values now into this and we will get the answer. So therefore we can say that the area of the major sector is equal to 314 minus the area of the sector OAPB, and which is this. So we write 78.5, and I think I again need the help from my calculator, so I'm just going to do that quickly. So that's 78.5 and we get 235.5 square centimeter, right? So that's the answer of the question, and I hope you could understand it and enjoyed it. And I'll be coming up with more videos. Keep watching them, and if you have any doubts or clarifications, please put them in the comments or in the messenger box and I'll solve it for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.